looking great. Smile a while. Give your face a break. Good idea.
Aloha! Welcome back on board Aulani Aloha. Who are these crazy girls?
Ahoy, mate. Please fasten your seatbelts. Keep your arms and legs in at all times. Don't feed the animals, drink the water, or talk to the voices. Enjoy the ride. When you do a sailing adventure with me, be prepared for anything. Bring the duct tape. Don't forget the beer. And if you're not here, raise your hand. Do subscribe. Turn on the notifications button. You don't want to miss what's happening. Welcome to the Ocean's Work Release Program. Our first island adventure begins in Hawaii at the island of Oahu, known as the Gathering Place. Then we'll go to Kauai and beyond. Waikiki offers lots of fireworks. Then we head off with the weekend warriors, those who come aboard for a day or two. The real Hawaii, known as Nokaoi, the very best, is everywhere far from the city. In a few days, we'll get up to Waimea Bay. I like the places others don't get to or know of, and the people you'll never meet otherwise. We escort spinner dolphins out to their deep water hunting grounds. Sunset? Did I say sunset? Electric Beach is a great stop to experience dolphins, the ones we escorted, and begin seeing pristine waters and marine life.
Is it filming? Jeff? C'est la merde avec le masque et la...
Ocean warriors come aboard. This type of explorer-traveler crosses ocean channels to other islands on extended experiences. Most have never been on an ocean-going vessel, never sailed, and definitely never lost sight of land. Where are we? Land ho? Oops, that island is not on my chart. Serenity Bay on the Waianae coast serves as a great place to resupply, take on more nomads. Coming in to pick up crew, got help. Beautiful. Morning. Jesse, good to meet you, yeah. Ready to hop in, yeah. I got the camera going now. Yeah. Pretty wild, huh? We got some really cool guys here. We got Maui right there, man. Waianae. So we're gonna take all that marine plywood. Yeah, way over there. We've been crazy. All right, sunset. Look at this load, all the stuff we got. Can you smile? Often it's the really cool locals who help out and get to enjoy boating here. That's Maui, look at that guy. And this girl is better than like 10 guys. Miracles happen. We have cool people around. I'm in the midst of a major refit. The new Hard Dodger wheelhouse will provide shade protection and rain catchment. The rebuilt hydraulic winch makes weighing anchor easy. Having been a captain for many years, I got a little dinghy. I mean, a 48-foot Skookum vessel built with the Raddens and Cape Georges. She's a true blue water cruiser, getting the TLC needed. There are many offshore buoys where fishing strikes increase and you begin seeing rare ocean wildlife.
On the whale safari, we've had some,
whale sharks. I'm so glad to get my autopilot Syrena working. Easy to come up here. Instead, we find pantropical spotted dolphins and humpback whales. Often there are calms to jump in, swim laps, be with deep water creatures till the wind resumes.
This is the way we chug along, chug along, chug along. Racing away 310 turtle horsepower.
You'd never believe me till you watch the video soon to be released on how the old 80 horsepower engine was replaced by a 210 horsepower Cummins commercial duty engine and rebuilt while facing 3 hurricane storms, big wave swells, and surf stuck at anchor. Chewy Chewbacca is a new engine crew member. Chewy, we're home. Cruising past Makaha, we reached the end of the road at Makua and the spooky Kaena Point. The spirits of the dead supposedly depart the island here. The winds are fierce, the ocean current of 5,000 miles strong rips. We wake up in Waimea Bay, the best no Kauai swimming hole at Oahu. The best surf town in the Pacific, Haleiwa, is just a few minutes away down the road. In another video, I'll show you my secret hangouts, the best coffee shops, food wagons, bars, beaches, and places to meet really cool people you'll not find elsewhere. Oops, we're out of time, so look for the next adventure to Kauai and beyond our shiver me timbers. Me hearty matey.